How to unlink Facebook account with AFK or nah? Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to unlink Facebook account with AFK or nah. Open Facebook on your device. Go to the Facebook app or website and log into your account. Access setting on the Facebook app. Tap on the three horizontal line usually located in the top right corner or bottom right corner. Then scroll down and select setting and privacy. Then tap on setting. In the setting menu, find and select app and website. This option manages the app and website you have logged into using Facebook. Find AFK Arena. Look for AFK Arena in the list of active apps and websites. Remove the connection. Once you have found AFK Arena, select it and click on remove. Confirm the removal if prompted. This action will unlink your AFK Arena account with Facebook. And that's how you can unlink your account of AFK Arena from Facebook. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.